Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete page in MS Word. If you have an unwanted or an extra page in your Word document and you don't want it, then I'll show you how you can remove it. So first you have to simply open the MS Word document in which you want to delete the page. First, you have to open a document in which you would like to delete the page. Now, there could be different scenarios for having a page that you want to delete. It could be in between your document, like any page in between your document. If it has content, what you can do is you can just simply select the content, and after that, you can just simply press the backspace and it will get deleted. That means that page has been deleted. But let's say if it is at the end, like here I'm just going to add it, for example, an extra page, like you have it on the end, then you can click onto that page and you have to just simply press the backspace key for once or twice and that page will get deleted. And let's say you have that page in between your document, like here I have at the end, but let's say you have that blank page in between your document and none you want to delete it. So here I'm going to add it again, and what you have to do is you just have to simply click onto that blank page and press the backspace key, and after that the blank page will get deleted. So same way, if it is in between the document at the end or somewhere else, you can just simply click onto it, do a backspace, and the page will get deleted. So that's how you can delete page in MS Word. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.